Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to 2 sine t, because if I put this one go in here, you got about 4 sine t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square. And later that we simplify the power 5 over 2. Then we simplify by ds. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. And you got about ds equal to number 2 cosine t dt. So I will put this one go in here and here. ds we change by this one. This one we have 4 sine t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. One minus sine t square, we change cosine t square. So cosine t square to the power of 5 over 2, you got about cosine t to the power of 5. 4 to the power of 5 over 2, we have 32. So this one we have 32 cosine t to the power of 5. This one we have 8 sine t to the power of 3. Now 8 with number 2, you got about 16. Now we can simplify. 16 divided by 32, you got about 1 over 2. Cosine t, we simplify. Next, about sine t to the power of 3, we can put into sine t square and sine t. Next, we have the formula in here. Sine t square plus cosine t square equals to number 1. So we have sine t square in here. So we put cosine t square go to the right. So we need to change about sine t square into 1 minus cosine t square. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equals to cosine t. Now we do first derivative for the both sides. And you got about dz equals to negative sine t dt. Because we don't have the negative side in here, so I will put the negative go to the left. And we have sine t dt. This one we have z square. This one we have z to the power of 4. Sine t dt we change by negative dz. So we have 1 divided by z to the power of 4 and z squared divided by z to the power of 4. We have z to the power of negative number 4 minus z to the power of negative number 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of z to the power of negative number 4, we have z to the power of negative number 4 plus 1 over negative number 4 plus 1. Similar for the second one. And we put about C. So this one we have negative number 3, negative number 3. This one negative number 1, negative number 1. So negative with negative, you got about positive, and I can write into 1 over Z. About Z, that is about cosine t. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 2. And then we can find the value of t equals to r sine of s over 2. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.